Amazon application. Are you guys facing issues to change currency on Amazon application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Amazon application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the flag icon, type on it. After you click on it, you can see the option for country, language, and currency. You are looking to change your currency, right? Tap on it. After you click on it, you will be provided with multiple currencies over here. Just select it according to your preference. If you want to change it to NPR, just go over N section and select NPR. Once you select the currency, just tap on done. And that's it guys, that's how you can change currency on Amazon application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next